Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 3. Okay. So last session we discussed about the face value, place value and place, expanded form. Last one is word form for 4 digit. I hope everyone or understood the concept clearly. Okay. Now we start to discuss the next topic. Represent the 4 digit number in 3 forms. Okay, what are the forms? Number form, expanded form and word form. Okay, so we have the one more representation also, that is spike representation, spike abacus. So that number we can represent in the different forms, that is number form, expanded form, word form. Last one is the spike abacus. Okay, so now we see that activity for representation of 4 digit number in different forms. So the page number 34 in studio 2.6 look around activity, it's your home fun. So what you are going to do means, listen carefully, go through a newspaper. Okay, go through a newspaper, look for 4 digit numbers written as number as well as the word form. Okay, words, cut and paste them in the space provided. Okay, so here you have to take the newspaper, search the 4 digit number. If it is there means cut the numbers alone. Okay, cut the numbers alone and paste it here. Okay, paste it here and you have to write the word form for the given number. I mean word form for that number. Here you have to write the word form and you have to write the number. Okay, already you have to cutted that and paste in that number format. Okay, paste and write the number form and write the word form also. So this is your home fun. Look around activity 2.6. So next activity also your home fun. It's a companion 2D. All of you take your companion 2D activity. So in companion 2D activity, page number 12, write the number names for the numbers listed. Okay, so they given a number, you have to write the word form. I mean a number name. Word form you have to write. Okay, that you know very well. One, I will write the answer for the first question. First one is 4,578. 4,578. Yes, so this is a way you have to write the word form for the remaining numbers. Okay, you have any doubt? Okay. So next activity is a look deep activity in studio page number 35. 2.7 activity. Add 1 to that number 9,999 and write the new number. Okay, so listen. 9,999, you are going to add a 1. So add what answer? 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 9, again it's 10. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 9, again it's 10. 1 plus 9, it's 10. So what is a new number? It's a 10,000. Very good. 10,000 is a new number. Okay. So dash thousands put together make a 10,000. Okay. 10,000 means how many thousands we need. Okay. How many thousands? 10,000. If it is a 2,000 means how many 2,000? 2,000. Okay. So here a 10,000 means how many thousands is there? 10. 10,000s put together make a 10,000. Okay, so you have to write these things in a studio itself. Okay, you have any doubt? Okay, so next one we have to represent that 4 digit number in the different form. So see that think and ink activity 2.8. It is very important. Listen carefully. A truckload of goods, it's going out of the distribution. Help the worker fill out the details on the bill for each order. Okay, first is a bill 1. 4,572 packets of biscuits. How many biscuits? 4,572 packets of biscuit. Okay, so these 4-digit number, okay, I mean this 4-digit number we have to represent in number form, expanded form, word form. So 3 forms we have to represent the given 4-digit number. What is a 4-digit number they given? Very good, 4572. This is the way you have to read the 4-digit number. How we have to read that number? 4572. Okay, number form means it is very easy. You have to write that number as it is, 4572. This is a number form. Okay, word form. First you have to write the 4. After the 4, how many digits? 3 digit. Write the 3 zeros. Plus 4 completed. 5. Next one is 5. 5 after how many digits? 2 digit. So you have to write 2 0. Plus 5 completed. Next is 7. Write 7. After that 7, how many digit? Only 1. So 1 0. Plus 2. Clear? Next we have to write the word form. Word form for the 4572. 4572. You have any doubt? If I give any 4-digit number means you can represent that given number in the 3 different forms: word form, expanded form, number form. Okay, now we see the another example for this type of concept. Yes, so next bill 2. 3610 packets of soap. Okay, 3610 packets of soap. Okay, first we have to represent the number in word form. Word form means that is very easy. You have to write the number as it is. Okay, next one is expanded form. Expanded form means you have to write that first number. After the number, how many digits? 3. So you have to add 3 zeros. Plus next number is 6. After the number 2 digit, so 2 0. Plus next number is 1. After the 1, only 1 digit. Plus next number is 0. Okay, next one is a word form. 3610. Okay, 3610. You have any doubt in the second question? Shall we move the third one? Yes. So third one is given the 4-digit number. What is the 4-digit number? 2830 packets of milk. So how many packets of milk? 2830. So first we have to represent the 4-digit number in the number form. Number form means you have to write the number as it is. That is the number representation. Next one is the expanded form. Expanded form means 2 in which place? Thousands place. So 1000 means how many zeros? 3 zeros. Plus each places you have to put that plus symbol. Next 8 in 100 place. So 800. 3 in tens place. So 30. So 0 in ones place, so write 0 aloud. Okay, so next we have to write the word form. 2000. So while you have to write the word form, that time you should careful on that spelling. You should concentrate on that spelling of places. 1000, THOUSAND, 1000. Okay, next one 800. 813. So while you have to write the number in word form, that time you should concentrate on the spelling of that number and places. Thousands, hundreds, 30. Okay, you should concentrate on spelling. Okay, you have any doubt in that first and second question? Third also? Okay, so next it's activity. It's now I can activity. So here you're going to put a tick or wrong. Okay, what you have to put tick on? Why we have to put tick means if you, okay, so you can identify that face value, place and place value of the digit in 4 digit means you have to put tick. Okay. No ma'am, I just have some confusion in that concept means you have to put wrong, but before that you have to get practiced in the concept and then you have to put the tick later. Okay, put tick. You can identify the face value, place and place value of 4 digit number. Next question, represent the 4 digit using the objects in number form. If I give the 4 digit means you can represent the number in number form, word form, expanded form. Yes, put tick. Okay, so these two things you can do. Okay, so that's why we have to put tick in the 2 circles. Okay, you can identify the face value, you can identify the place of the number, you can identify the place value of the digits in 4 digit number. Okay, next one, if I give any 4 digit means you can represent the number in word form, number form, expanded form and also in the place value chart and the spike abacus also. Okay, so now I am going to conclude the session with the quick recap. So look around activity, it's your home fun. So what you have to do means take the newspaper, search the 4 digit number, cut the number and paste it here and you have to write the word form for that number. For that number you have to write the word form. Okay, you have any doubt in the home fun? Okay. So next activity is the companion activity 2D, it's your home fun. So what concept they given means they given a 4 digit number, you have to write the word form for the 4 digit number. Okay, so next one, it's a look deep activity. Look deep activity means if we add 1 to the 9999, we get one new number, that is 10,000. Okay, 10,000 means how many thousands we can put together make a 10,000. Obviously it's a 10. So 10,000 makes a 10,000. 2,000 means make a 2,000. 3,000 make 3,000. Okay. So next activity, it's very important activity. So that one is, if we give any 4 digit number means you can represent the number in different forms. What are the forms? Number form, expanded form, word form. So 2 more format also you have to learn, that is spike abacus representation and place value chart. Okay, if I give a 4 digit number means you can represent that number in word form, expanded form, number form. And also you have to represent number in place value chart and the spike abacus also, that I will show you. Yes, so this is the represent the 4 digit number in spike abacus and the place value chart. Any doubt? Okay. So last one, it's a now I can activity. So if I give a number, if I give any 4 digit number means you can identify the face value, place and place value of a digit in 4 digit number. Represent the 4 digit number using the objects, number form in words and in expanded form using the place values. Okay, you have any doubt? Okay, thank you.